In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new section in Elementor, a powerful page builder that's perfect for creating stunning websites with ease. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your design skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. To begin, let's make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Elementor. Once installed, activate the plugin and you're ready to start building. Now, head over to the page where you'd like to add a new section. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor interface, which offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for designing your page. Once you're in the Elementor editor, notice the icon in the central area of your page. Hover your mouse over this icon and click it to add a new section. You'll see a range of structure choices, from single-column layouts to complex, multi-column configurations. Select the structure that best fits the content you plan to add. If you're unsure which one to choose, a single-column layout is a versatile starting point. With your structure set, let's dive into adding content. You can now drag and drop widgets from the left panel into your new section. Elementor provides a wide variety of widgets to suit your needs, from simple text and image elements to more complex tools like sliders and testimonials. Choose the widget you need and drop it into place to start customizing. To adjust your section further, customize its settings in the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find three options: Layout, Style, and Advanced. In the Layout tab, you can control the width and height of your section, adjust column gaps, and tweak your content's positioning. If you want to make your section visually distinct, head over to the Style tab. Here, you can modify the background color, add borders, or include an image. Explore these options to see what aligns best with your design vision. Now let's ensure your section looks great on all devices. In the Advanced tab, you'll find responsive settings that let you tailor your design for desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. With these options, you can adjust padding, margins, and even hide specific elements on certain devices to optimize the user experience. And that's it. Once you're satisfied with your new section, be sure to hit the Update button to save your changes. Congratulations, you've just added a new section to your site using Elementor. Feel free to experiment and explore the many features at your disposal. With practice, you'll become more proficient and create visually captivating content that enhances your website's appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!